Okay, so how many emails should you write in an email sales sequence? And what do you actually write in those emails? Well, that is what today's video is going to be about, so keep watching. Hey guys, I'm Caroline and welcome to the channel. Now, I am a copywriter with almost 11 years of experience, and I have decided that I want to create this channel to share all my tips and my knowledge with you so that you have what you need to go ahead and grow your business and attract your target audience. So let's just get started, okay? So in any email sales sequence, you really should include 5 emails to optimize the chances of your subscriber wanting to buy whatever it is you're selling. So the first email is the case story email. So the case story email is a story where you use a previous client that has had success using your product, and you tell the story of their success. So this is not really a sales email per se, because you're not actually selling anything. You're just telling a story, right? But it's kind of sneaky, because doing that will plant the seed in the brain of your reader, thinking, this person had success using this product, so maybe I will too. So a quick tip on when you write your case story is that it should be kind of a relatable story. So don't just make it, they went from nothing to super successful just like that, because it's not relatable, it's not interesting. It's the obstacles that make a story interesting. So include some obstacles, like if the person didn't have that much time or that much money, something that your reader will be able to understand and they have the same challenges as well. That will make it more relatable, and the reader will think, okay, if this person was able to overcome their obstacles and have success anyways, maybe I can too, right? The second email in your email sequence here is the PAS model email. PAS stands for problem, agitation, solution. So really what it is a way to structure a sales message. And this is the first email that you'll send in your sequence that actually is selling. So the P is problem. This is where you start your email by introducing the problem that your reader has and that your product is solving. So you just mention the problem quickly, and then you move on to the A, agitation, and this is where you really poke at the problem. So you talk about all the consequences of having this problem, what will happen if they don't fix the problem. You really poke at all the consequences of what their life is like because of this problem. So it'll create that sort of tension in the reader, right? That will make them think, yeah, I really do have this problem, and I really don't like having this problem. And then once you have created that tension, that is when you introduce the solution, which of course is your product. With this model, once you present the solution, by presenting the solution at the end, after you've already created this tension, they are more open to hearing your sales message, because you've already sort of created that tension. Oh yeah, this is kind of a problem for me. You see how that works? And so you end the email by having a link to your solution, that is your product, where they can buy their the product you're selling on your webpage or wherever it is that you're selling it. Number 3 in your series is the testimonial email. So as you may have guessed, this testimonial email is an email with testimonials. And the reason you do this is to create social proof. So this is especially good if you are trying to sell to a new subscriber that hasn't bought from you before, because this new subscriber doesn't really know you. They don't really know if you deliver on your promise, if you're a credible seller. So by having testimonials from other people that has bought your product and are happy with your product, you will create sort of a peace of mind with your reader here, saying that it is safe to buy from me. Okay, moving on. So number 4 email in your sales sequence here is the frequently asked questions email. This email is where you put together a collection of questions that your buyers have, or that your potential buyers have. So it could be let's say you're selling a coaching program. Do I have enough time to complete this program, or is it too expensive? Or if it's educational content, it could be something like, am I at the right level? Am I able to follow the content? Or maybe the other way around, is it too advanced for me, or is it too light for me if the person already has some knowledge in this area, right? So the reason you do this is because these frequently asked questions are really also objections to buying, right? And so you're overcoming these objections by answering the questions in a way that brings peace of mind to the reader, saying, oh, okay, so this is actually not really a problem. This is for me. You see how that works? Okay, so the last email in the sequence here is the last chance email. This is the email where you create urgency. So you will write that whatever promotion you're running is ending, or if it's a sort of coaching program, it's that the doors are closing at this and this time. Then after that, sales will be over. Of course, you only send this email out if you actually have a deadline. Otherwise, there's really no point. But you can always come up with some kind of urgency. It might be a discount that is running out or something like that. It's always good to create urgency because it inspires your reader to act now rather than postpone the decision of buying. So include that one in your email sequence if it is something that makes sense for your product. So if you got value from this and you want more videos from me, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification. That way you won't miss out on future videos from me because you'll be notified. So that is all for me from today. I hope I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to have an amazing day. Thank you for watching.